Hi, I'm Dave Bunce, Product Specialist at ISM. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your new ISM seat. It's important to note the unique design of the ISM seat, intended to help remove pressure off your perineum or soft tissue. Our seats typically require a conditioning period so your muscles can adapt to this new pressure point. So stick with it and don't get discouraged. First, we're going to set the proper seat height. Once you've installed your seat and hopped on your bike, it's important to note how your hips and feet feel. A clear indicator that your seat is too high is the up and down rocking of your hips as your feet are reaching for the pedals. Another indication is the pointing of your toes at the bottom of the pedal stroke. Simply lower your seat height to correct this. This may only need to be adjusted 2 to 5 millimeters. There are also a couple signs that will indicate your seat is too low. This can be noted by your heels dropping below the pedal at the bottom of the stroke, or excessive bend in your knees. Another indicator is muscle fatigue in your quadriceps. If you notice any of these, simply raise your seat height to correct. Now, some of you may have tried to take the seat height measurement from your traditional saddle, or have this information from a professional bike fit. This is a great starting point, but you still may find yourself needing to lower your saddle a bit. Remember, ISM seats have a higher profile than traditional saddles because they're designed to put the pressure where it belongs, on the sit bones and the pubic rami bones. For this reason, it's very common to have to lower the saddle an additional 2 to 5 millimeters if you experience discomfort in your sit bones or chafing in your inner thigh. A simple lowering might be all you need. Next, you want to look at the seat fore-aft, or the front-to-back position. ISM seats are designed without the front 2 to 3 inches of nose, so it should hit about the midpoint of your thigh. Another way to look at this is you should have 2 to 3 finger widths of seat showing behind your body when properly seated. If the seat is too far forward, you will feel bunched up or may find the seat too wide at the front arms. Simply loosen the rails and move the seat back. If the seat's too far back on the seat post, you may find yourself reaching for the bars or feel like there isn't enough seat under you supporting your body weight. If this is the case, simply move the seat forward. The final adjustment is the seat tilt. This step is very important and always subjective based on the rider. When installing your new ISM seat, level the front arms parallel to the ground. This is a great starting point and might be exactly where you want the seat. Some riders may choose to tilt the front of the seat down 1 to maybe 2 degrees. Key point to remember is to not tilt the seat too low to the point that you're feeling like you're sliding off the front of the saddle or you're putting a lot of pressure on your hands or wrists. ISM seats remove the pressure off the perineum or soft tissue region, so extreme downward tilt is not necessary. Everybody has a sweet spot. Don't be afraid to bring your Allen wrench with you and adjust it on the road till you find yours. Again, please keep in mind the design of the ISM seat is to remove pressure off the perineum or soft tissue. There is a muscle conditioning period for most riders, so don't become discouraged. And always give your muscles adequate rest between rides, especially in the beginning. If you are still experiencing any issues with fitting your seat, feel free to contact us anytime. We hope you enjoy your new ISM seat, and remember, comfort counts.